So let's start with our lab. Let me do this once. Oh, huh, what? Sometimes it's difficult to get these things. So now we will open our Google console and log in with the requirements. Accept. Okay. So this is our GCP project ID. So today what we are going to do is working with GCP, Cloud Console and Cloud Shell. So there are two interfaces from which GCP deals, that is Cloud Console and Cloud Shell. So we are here to deal with this. What are our objectives? Access to Google Cloud to create storage buckets. So basically we are going to create a cloud storage bucket with the help of Cloud Console and Cloud Shell. So this is our basic setup that I have already done in front of you. These are things that we have to done. Now let's start. Use the Cloud Console to create a bucket. So here, let me agree with this and continue with my lab work. So first of all, we have to go into a navigation menu, and I am already on my navigation menu. Then we have to go in storage and then browser. After clicking on browser, we will create a bucket and name something like maths with, and then create. It is already taken, so we will take beautifully. Yeah, that's fine. Beautifully created. Here you can see. Then we will go here and check our progress. It's done, you can see here. So in this task we see that how we can make bucket by using Cloud Console. So navigation menu, then we will find cloud storage and then browser, and then we will create a bucket and name it as you want, but it's globally unique. Then we will access Cloud Shell. So here are some features of Cloud Shell that you must read. And now we will start by doing our Cloud Shell. Here you can see activate Cloud Shell option. I have clicked on this and now we will activate. Continue. So here it is open. So here we just need to access the Cloud Shell by clicking over this button, that is activate Cloud Shell, and here you can access this like so. Now after reading all those features of Cloud Shell, we can do this caution, and I think 5 GB built-in for Excel command line to free temporary. Yeah. Uh, Actually, this is not right because it is pre-installed in it. So let's check. Yeah, that's correct. Now our task 3 is to create a second bucket. Now we will create another bucket. First bucket we had made with the use of Cloud Console. Now we will make through Cloud Shell. So open Cloud Shell. We have already opened it. I have copied this and pasted here. Bucket name. I will make bucket name my beautiful, and then we'll enter. And then click authorize. Sorry, what I have done is I don't have to use braces. My EAUTIFUL, and then click authorize over here. Now I again come here and go to Cloud Storage browser. Now we will click refresh, and you can see here that our second bucket has successfully created. Now I'll check my progress, and yeah, it's assessment completed. Now task 4 is to explore some features of Cloud Shell. You can do it yourself. Wait, like go here, upload file, and you can see I uploaded a file. And now what we have to do, we have to copy this here and change the name of my file and bucket. So here we are just, and what is the name of the file? Let me copy this and copy here. I don't have. Oh shit, man, I have to do this again. Bucket name is my PEAU beautiful, and the name of file is I have to upload it again. .NET, and the name of the no UI match. I think I have to do this again. Shit, I think something is going. I have to upload something like. So yeah, now it's done because the problem was I was uploading a file that has spaces between the names. As you can see, C space mat.docs. So guys, I want you to upload a file that does not consist a space. So let's close this and check our progress. Yeah, it's complete. Now it's time to create an persistent instance in Cloud Shell. First of all, we will know our region where we belongs. Select a region and load the region of the lab. So we have to select our region from where we belongs. So now copy this and pasting here, and we will cut this, and I cancel it. I belong to Asia, and it is copied here, and I paste here and clicking this. Then again verifying. You can use environment variable. Okay, and then click. Yeah, you can see that it comes. Now create a sub dictionary. You just need to copy, paste, enter all these things that are coming in front of you. Yeah, you also should read these things. I have already read this, that's why I am doing it like this. And from here, project ID, and yeah, I will remove this and paste my project ID and click. Append the value of project ID. Yeah. Config. So now you just need to copy and paste here, and this also. Yeah, here you can see the project ID. Cut, copy, paste. Now you can see the dot profile. Here it comes. It is a batch profile and create persistent. Basically, we create persistence in dot profile form. Now we will see some things here. Now you can see press Ctrl O, enter to save the file, and then press Ctrl X. So I press Ctrl O, enter, and the file is saved, and press Ctrl X to leave, and then close and reopen the Cloud Shell to recycle the VM. You can do this. I am not doing this, so I just copy paste and enter. Now the answer is dot profile. The task is 6 is only to see what it consists, and now you can end your lab. So here in this lecture we only find how we can create a bucket using cloud console and Cloud Shell. So in Cloud Shell you can go in navigation menu, Cloud Storage and browser, and you can create bucket. And if you want to create bucket with Cloud Shell, you can go there and write commands that you want to do. So students, if you are learning GCP right now you can see that 14 minutes are left and I have completed my lab, but I am not ending my lab because I always take time to see these things that Google have updated in its GCP home. So I must tell you that you should do this too, so you can have a good knowledge of GCP. So for this lecture, thank you. Have a good day.